Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's that time again, time to see our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club. I'm excited about this one, and I'll tell you why. For years, you have been asking me to do this, literally for years, and I've never been able to get it like I like it, and I feel like I have done it this time because it is very versatile, and that's what I've been looking for. So you probably already know what it is because you know the one you've been asking me for so many times. So without further ado, let's check it out. I always have it upside down. This is fruit of the spirit. Finally, I figured it out. Okay, so what I decided was if I could have a bowl that I could put fruit in, I would like it. I needed the fruit to be able to live on its own outside of the stamp set and not just be with the words that go with the scripture about the fruit of the spirit. So we figured that out. We were able to make that happen. So you can see here, you get this cute little bowl with all the fruits you can imagine. Everything from apples to pears, oranges, lemons, cherries, half sections of, or a segment of orange, a segment of lemon. There's even a strawberry. And by the way, these can also be limes. So they're not just oranges or lemons, they can be limes. And the pear, I hope I mentioned it, and also the banana. Now I want to show you something while we're here. Ignore my inky fingers because I've been creating. These little dots are the little like pores for your orange and your lemon and lime. These little dots are the seeds for your strawberry, and these little dots can make your pears and your apple look like they're cut in half. So we tried to squeeze it all on here for you. And also, let's look and see what all it says. At the top, you'll see it says, taste and see that the Lord is good. I love that one. And then here it says, 'tis so sweet to trust in Jesus. How about thinking of you, my sweet friend? And then your scripture. The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. And then I love this one. Live a life worthy of the Lord and please Him in every way, bearing fruit in every good work, growing in the knowledge of God. I love that. And then Sylvia was able to give you all the words: peace, love, gentleness, patience, joy, goodness, kindness, self-control, faithfulness. She squeezed them in. Now, because of that, I want to tell you something. We do have a little bit of bleeding on our stamp sets, meaning where our little stamps kind of run together in a couple places, but you can just take them right apart. It's no big deal. But we try to put so much on these stamp sets that sometimes we do that. And I'm really excited to tell you that this set not only works here, but it works on a set that we have coming up that'll be a good companion for it. So we try to think ahead as well. Oh, I didn't mention the grapes. Did I say the cherries? I don't know. It's so many. Let me show you the samples. Shannon and I both made samples today. So I'm going to start with maybe my least favorite sample, although I thought it would be my favorite and it turned out to be my least favorite. But look, I tried to do like a little fruit stand like this and do the little bowl with the fruits. But what I do want to show you is here, I just colored my pears and my apples solid. But notice here, I used the little seeds to make them look like they were open. So it's the same stamp. You just stamp the little seeds inside to get the openness. And this is the little pores I was telling, yeah, pores, that's what they are. The little pores I was telling you about for your oranges and your lemons and your limes. And I want to see if you can see it. I even put some of that opal shimmer on them. I thought fruit needed to shimmer, right? So this is my first one. And this one has the fruit of the spirit scripture at the top. I think it's really pretty, but it didn't turn out exactly like I wanted. But I like to tell y'all that. Sometimes things don't do exactly like we want, right? I think I would have liked it better if I would have inked all my edges. But you might have heard earlier, I'm kind of on the outs with my inker. So I probably should have inked the edges and I would have liked it better. But that's my first card. So let's look at Shannon's card because it's so cute. Shannon loves these strawberries. She could not get enough. So she did strawberries on her background, colored them with color pencils, and then she did thinking of you, sweet friend. Look how cute that is. And then she stitched all the way around her card in white stitching. I love it. Oh, and she even stitched around her little piece that she made here. Too cute. So there's that one. And this one is my favorite. I enjoyed this one. This one was fun to do. So this is all of the fruits except, no, did I use every one? No, not the cherries. I didn't put the cherries on here. I felt like I had enough red between my apples. I mean, I could have done my apples in a different color, but I felt like I had enough. So this is all of the fruit here. This is the Colossians scripture that I love so much. And then notice that I tucked in the words here and there just so I could get them all on there. I thought that was kind of cool. And these dots, I did it with this. Yes, I did. It took me a minute, but I love, love, love how this turned out. I think it's just kind of my style. I don't know. I just like this one, so I lean to it. There are our 3 samples for this card, and I already know You guys are going to make such cool things with this stamp set. I already know it. You're going to go crazy with that fruit, and you're going to use it for all kinds of things. And these little sentiments are so precious. They're petite, but they are so precious. I love them. So there you go, guys. Look at my inky fingers. And as you know, every month we give away a $50 gift card, and the winner for last month will be in the description below, and we will email you to let you know. And if you'd like to enter for this month, all you do is make a project using this stamp set. Doesn't have to be a card, can be any project. Then load it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and that's all you got to do. Then you're entered, and you could win a $50 gift card to our store. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our Scripture Club. We love so much bringing these to you every month. They are such a blessing to us, and such a great way for you to be able to share the love of God with others. Thanks so much for being a part of this, and until next time, bye-bye.